Just for your reference, guys, I have normal skin here. And here on my T-zone, oily na siya, guys. So,
bugas mo ka.
Ay, wag mo nang pansinin yung pimples. Mag-Tagalog ka. So, look closely. I have two foundations on my face. Hi guys! It's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. Pasensya na sa mukha ko, guys. Nagbe-breakout na naman ako. But anyway, today I will be comparing two foundations from L'Oreal. And may nagsabi kasi sa akin kung pwede ko ba daw ikumpara itong dalawang ito. So here I am, I'm doing this review today. So today I will be comparing these two famous foundations. This one is the new released from the Infallible line ng L'Oreal. And this one, medyo matagal-tagal na. And ito yung pinakasikat sa L'Oreal Infallible Foundations na line. This, by the way, originally this one retails for 700 pesos. But nag-decrease sila, guys, permanently. This one retails for 499 pesos na lang. And this one retails for 550 pesos. Tapos, opening promo sila or introductory promo ba yun? Price, introductory price, ganon. So, I got this for 450 pesos na lang. Ito, this has been my go-to foundations. This has been my favorite foundation for like 2 years now. And ito, 3 beses ko pa lang ito na-try and I fell in love with it agad-agad. So, I'm really excited to compare these two. Etong dalawang favorites ko. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start with the comparison review. Let's go! So, I got the shade 104 for this one. This is golden beige. While for the 24-hour fresh wear, I got 120 vanilla. Feeling ko the 24-hour fresh wear is one shade lighter than this one. Obviously, this comes in a squeezy tube and this one comes in a glass bottle and it has a pump. So, yung mas travel-friendly dito is this one and you can really squeeze out all of the products. So, talagang matitipid mo ito. If you ask me saan dito yung preference ko, depende lang talaga, guys. If I travel, I want this. Pero kung andito lang naman sa bahay, then I would go for this one. Both are in 30 ml and this one claims to be demi-matte, airlight, and oil-free. It will never go dull and it will never go flat. Yun yung claims ng foundation na ito. And this has medium coverage daw. While this one claims to have 24-hour fresh finish, it covers imperfections, it has no transfer, no shine, no dry out, and no mass effect. And this comes with the new breathable formula, which is the new oxygen technology, ganun. So, magaganda yung mga claims ng both foundations. So, let's go ahead and start. Medyo naka-zoom in na kayo and halatang-halata na yung breakout ko. But anyway, ayan. So, today, I will be using a primer and I will use my favorite primer from Avon. Pore filling primer lang ito, guys, or smoothing and blurring primer. Okay, primer on. Now, I will be applying both foundations using a wet sponge because that's my favorite way of blending foundation. So today, I will be applying the 24-hour fresh wear on my left side and the Pro Matte on my right side. So unahin natin si 24-hour fresh wear. I'm gonna get like one pump. It's not one full pump but one pump lang, guys. And ubusin ko to here. Ayan, ubos na siya. So let me blend it out. Ayan, dito, because I have less to cover, it's giving me medium coverage. That is a cystic pimple na bagong tubo pa. So, na-cover niya naman kahit paano yung redness. And I'm gonna add like half a pump to build up the coverage on my entire left side. So, there you go, guys. That is one side of my face with the 24-hour fresh wear. Now, let's go to my right side. With the Pro Matte, I'm gonna get one squeeze. This one, it's not too liquidy. Yung 24-hour fresh wear, mas liquidy yun. And eto siya. It's not runny. So, I'm gonna use this side. Ito yung ginamit ko, yung flat side dito. So, I'm gonna use this side to blend my foundation. And ayan, wala na lang yung one full squeeze. So, let's blend it. Okay, there you go. So, this is giving me a semi-medium coverage muna. Let me add like half a squeeze to build up the coverage. So that is my face. I don't know if it's obvious in the camera, but the left side, it has more coverage than on the other side. Alam nyo ba guys, itong Pro Matte, ito yung favorite ko coverage-wise and yung the way it controls my oil. Ito talaga yung favorite ko. But here, in fairness guys, mas maganda yung coverage ng 24-hour Fresh Wear. But mas natural tingnan itong si Pro Matte. Ganun siya guys. Mas may coverage ito, pero mas parang natural tingnan, mas manipis tingnan yung Pro Matte foundation on my face. And nga pala, mas napansin ko guys na yung Pro Matte is mas lightweight siya compared to the 24-hour Fresh Wear. Mas may nafe-feel ako ng kaonte dito sa Fresh Wear compared to this. Talagang talagang dito as in mas lightweight siya. Yun yung feel ko. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup muna. I'm going to use translucent powder and a concealer just here under my eyes. I'm not gonna conceal my imperfections sa mukha ko, just under my eyes. Yun lang, and then I will be back. Tapos na ako sa buong mukha ko. Ayan, nag-lip tint lang ako. Tapos, yung concealer, nilagay ko lang under my eyes. Tapos, nag-set ako ng RCMA No Color Powder. Tapos, sa mukha ko, very lightly lang ng L'Oreal Infallible Powder. Yung Pro Matte Pressed Powder. Ganon. Tapos, I'm going to set my entire face with this one. This is the ColourPop All-Star Face Setting Spray. Tingnan natin. Both sides. So, this will take away the powdery look of our face. Ganon. So, mag-set na tayo. So, there you go, guys. So, this is my face. Ayan. So, this is the 24-hour Fresh Matte na side. Or Fresh Wear na side. And, eto naman yung sa Pro Matte na side. Both sides are looking great. Yun nga lang, talagang mas napansin ko na mas manipis tingnan yung sa Pro Matte na side compared to the 24-hour Fresh Wear na side. Kasi dito, talagang flawless na flawless. Talagang tinanggal niya lahat ng sumpa sa mukha ko. Ganun yung peg ng 24-hour Fresh Wear. Dito sa Pro Matte, mas manipis siya tingnan. Flawless pa rin siya, but not as flawless as the Fresh Wear. Ganun. So, I'm going to give you random check-ins throughout the day. And I'm really looking forward for these both foundations at the end of the day, guys. Kasi both are performing really, really nice so far. So, that's it, guys. I'll see you in my next check-in. Hi, guys. So, this is my face under natural lighting. And I'm with my cousin. Kuya.
Yes.
So, you look closely in my face. I'm reviewing 2 foundations today. Tingnan mo, left or right, saan yung mas maganda para sa'yo?
Ah, so it's different.
Para sa'yo.
Dito sa... Left. Dito.
Here, my left
Yes.
side. So, mas gusto mo yung left. Bakit gusto mo yung left? You should have a reason.
Shiny siya.
Mas shiny?
Right
Yes.
sa akin,
Yun.
face.
Ikaw, kuya, bakit right sa'yo?
Kasi plain lang siya ba?
Anong plain? Anong ibig sabihin?
Parang sinahon siya ba nga?
Yun nga, yun sabi ni kuya, parang may shine.
Oo, yun.
Yun lang? Walang ibang rason?
Pero mas dito sa right, mas fine siya.
Mas fine siya sa right. Pero sa left,
Yung parang natural lang, pero mas shiny siya.
so asan mas gusto mo? Final answer.
Dito sa right.
Right side. Okay, right side yung gusto niya. Hi guys! So I'm with Faith. Hello. So Faith, I'm wearing 2 foundations today. So halata ba na I'm wearing 2 foundations? Hindi. Okay. Tingnan mo, look closely. Which side do you like most? Right or left? And give me the reason.
Right.
Right side. My right?
No, left pala.
So my left side. Why? Bakit left side?
Parang natural eh.
Mas natural? Anong meron sa right?
Ano na yun? Ano to?
Parang foundation day?
Yeah.
Parang ganun. So mas gusto mo yung
Nagkikake din siya.
nagkikake na siya. So left side. Final answer? Okay, thank you! Hi guys! I'm back. It's already 4:48 in the evening or in the afternoon. So, eto na yung mukha ko, guys. Let me get my mirror. So, kanina, I was out and nainitan talaga ako kasi we had our practice, like, basta. And mga isang oras din yung practice namin and mainit yung lugar, guys. So, pinagpawisan talaga ako. And then, I asked Faith yung pangalan ng babaeng tinanong ko kanina. She's my coworker. She likes left side more than the right. Let me check, guys, ha. Alam niyo ba guys, mas nag-cakey yung right side ko compared to my left dito. Here, visible na yung cakiness niya. Medyo nag-crack yung foundation dito. Here. Maybe because I was making a lot of facial expressions when we were practicing kanina. Tapos, on my eyes, nag-crease na sila pareho. I don't know if that's just the concealer or the foundation. And then, pareho sila around my nose na nag-cakey na and parang na-melt na yung foundation. Both sides, pareho silang shiny. Hindi yung shiny na super duper oily, but it's dewy. I can still go with this one. Okay pa sa akin yung ganitong dewiness. It's been like more than 6 hours already and ganito pa siya. The left side looks better after 6 hours and after 1 hour na pinagpawisan compared to the right side. But the coverage is the same. The coverage faded just a little bit here on my forehead sa left side and also on my right. Both sides, yung coverage faded a little bit. And both sides, medyo shiny na din siya. Both sides, pareho pa naman na intact pa yung mga face products ko. Yun nga lang, nag-cakey na talaga ako dito, here in my nose and around my mouth. Pero mas grabe yung cake dito on my right side. Yun yung napansin ko, guys. After more than 6 hours, I love both foundations on my face, pero mas angat yung performance ng left side. So, mas angat ang performance ng 24-hour Fresh Wear compared to the Pro Matte. Kasi ito, mas less itong nag-cake. So, my final verdict is, I think the 24-hour Fresh Wear looks better or is even better than this one. So, for this one, yung Pro nito, this is cheaper and it is more lightweight, kumbaga, and this has medium coverage. Pero kahit lightweight siya, parang hindi nakakahinga yung skin mo if you use this. And yun nga lang, this cakes more on me than this one. Yung Pro nito is, it is more long-lasting. It looks fresher, kumbaga, more than the Pro Matte. This has a beautiful coverage, medium, high medium to full coverage. It's very, very buildable. Both are buildable, guys, ha. Although, mas lightweight ito, but this is also lightweight din naman. Wala kasi akong panyong dala, tapos yung pawis ko, ginagamit ko yung dito, pampahid sa pawis ko, parang ganyan-ganyan. Mas maraming transfer. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe because of the ring light, hindi nyo mapansin. But mas marami yung transfer sa Pro Matte compared to the 24-hour Fresh Wear. This, when I reviewed this, wala yung transfer doon. Maybe because my skin that time was not, hindi siya pinagpawisan. But kasi may pawis, tapos ginaganyan ko, kaya may transfer siya. Pero kapag walang pawis yung mukha mo, wala siyang transfer, guys. Kasi I tried it the first time I used this, wala siyang transfer talaga. Pero kanina, nag-transfer na siya because nga, pinagpawisan yung mukha ko. So, for the overall rating, I'm gonna give this a 4/5. Hindi talaga siya perfect, guys. While si 24-hour Fresh Wear, I'm gonna give this 4.5/5. Kahit mas mahal ng kaunti si 24-hour Fresh Wear, pero 50 pesos lang naman kasi yung price difference. Pero kasi 51 pesos lang naman yung price difference nila. Ang this performs better. So, this works on me naman kahit I have normal to oily skin. And kahit init ngayon, guys, hindi malamig yung panahon ngayon. Today, pinagpawisan din ako, nainitan ako. And this performs better. Kahit nung the first time that I used this, malamig yung panahon na yon and okay siya, guys. And ngayon, na pinagpawisan ako and mainit yung panahon, okay din to, guys. So, eto, lamang lang siya ng 0.5 over this one. So, yun lang, guys, yung thoughts ko. Pareho ko silang paborito, pero ito talaga yung winner, si 24-hour Fresh Wear. So, that's it, guys, for today's review. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And also click that bell button beside the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I post a new video. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys. God bless everyone. Mwah.